Okay, this is a Agfa Optima that I have with the Color Agnar lens. Right, this is the front, side, the other side, bottom, the back, and the top. So this is the focus. It's a rangefinder camera. This is the viewfinder. It's a bit dirty, but yeah. Well, it works as a framing device. Shutter fires. Let me show you inside. So yeah, so it fires. Let me put bulb mode and see. Okay, so it works. Okay. Let me put at 2.8. Okay. If I put auto, it should be metering according to the light meter. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, so you can see that it works. I think why sometimes in the camera it doesn't show the I think opening. I think it's a sync speed kind of thing. Let me adjust it a bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, see? You can see like
This toy look my door. Very simple, no, always remember.
so yeah, it works, and there you go. This is the Agfa Optima. Yeah, turn on autofocus now. Okay, thanks.